how to create a second Brawl Stars account step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to create an additional account on your Brawl Stars application, it's really simple to do. Basically, you want to open up your Brawl Stars application, and once inside, let's just go ahead and say that you already have your first account open up on the Brawl Stars game. You simply want to open up the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and from here you then want to click on settings. Inside settings, you want to click on the Supercell IV, and in here you can just go ahead and click on the gear icon. Once inside, you want to scroll down, and in here you want to click on log out. Click on log in, and inside we can then go ahead and see an option called log in to Supercell IV. So you want to go ahead and click on it, and in here we can then go ahead and see that we have two options where we can continue or cancel. You simply want to click on continue, and in here you can just go ahead and enter your brand new email address, and you will be able to create a new or second account on Brawl Stars. If this video has been helpful, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.